In the heart of the forest, Phuchoo darts past Kachoo with boundless energy, his laughter echoing through the trees. Phuchoo taunts, "Hey, slow coach, want me to push you along?" Kachoo, unperturbed, serenely watches a butterfly dance on the breeze, a gentle smile lighting his face. Kachoo responds calmly, "No need, I like the view from here." Other animals observe the contrasting pair, their soft chuckles blending with the rustling leaves, painting a portrait of friendship. The forest embraces the playful chase and serene contemplation as Phuchoo and Kachoo define their friendship. At the forest race starting line, a vibrant gathering of animals buzzes with anticipation. Phuchoo, brimming with confidence, stretches his limbs, a picture of athletic prowess. Kachoo sits on the sidelines, radiating support and encouragement to the racers. The starting signal fires, and Phuchoo explodes into action, leaving competitors in his wake. Kachoo watches Phuchoo, a gentle smile reflecting pride and affection. In the heat of the race, Phuchoo stumbles, a hidden vine betraying his stride. Pain flashes across Phuchoo's face as he clutches his paw, the race now a distant concern. Kachoo, witnessing his friend's plight, halts, his concern echoing through the forest. "Phuchoo, are you okay?" Phuchoo's voice cracks with pain. "I think I hurt my paw. I can't walk."